Hi all, today we're going to do a quick loose butterfly, and I used Brusho, which is a color craft brand, and Brusho has different color powdered paints that you can use. Start off by just sketching a quick body of a butterfly. I apologize guys for the lighting here, it just was too bright, so I put this on a cartoon effect. And I just want to know where my lines are, like where do I want to stop dropping this powder. This is powdered paint, and when I put it on, it's little tiny dots. And then when I'm going to press the water to come out of my little tiny water jar, I'm not wanting to paint directly down on the bug. What I want to do is go off to the right because I want the water to run off to the right. And you can see I've got all those lovely streaks that are going on to the right and to the top. And once I did that, I decided I want a little bit more of that color in there. I wanted it super dark where the body was, and then I wanted it to come out light as the wings kind of fanned out. So I'm practicing and just trying different things, so don't hesitate to do that. Don't worry about if it doesn't come out beautiful, just try it. So I also sprinkled in some cobalt blue next, and I was going to let that dry because I want to see what effects will come out of it. And it blooms. You can see a little bit of a close-up where it's blooming. So this is wonderful, but you know, for it to be loose, I like to splatter. So I put some yellow dots in here and then some pink dots. And this video is hilarious because it is so, like, it's not the full page, but you know what? I'm just going to show you what Brusho looks like, and that does show a beautiful look as to how that blue is spreading out. It wasn't even done at this point, so I'm heading into the end of the video, and you're going to be able to look at the entire body. I darkened up the body's antennas and its little tiny body, and I just added some black streaks in there too, and that was it. Try it. Have some fun. Have a great day, guys. Subscribe, please. Just hit that button and join me next time. Bye.